Hey Megan, so in today's tech landscape with so many options, what would you say are the best things people should do to maximize their dollars or minimize their dollars if they're spending too much on subscriptions they don't even use? I'm sure you have a great response for this, so I'll let you take it away.
It's a good question. I feel like in the world of e-commerce and on the DTC side, there's always so many technologies that are coming out, changing, and even pricing structures are always changing. So what we do with our clients on a regular cadence, usually it's yearly, we'll go back through and look at what do we have, how are we using it, are we taking full advantage of the capabilities the technology has any pricing structure changed with those technologies, and basically getting organized of what's in the ecosystem and are we using it to its most effective capabilities. And then from there, often what we find is over the course of a year, technologies, some of the main ones will come out with more capabilities where at one time you had to use 2 or 3 different technologies to accomplish a goal, but over that course of a year, a platform will now offer all of those capabilities, and it may become cheaper to migrate and use one for many uses versus many stitched together. So a few examples, I would say, for example, in the email ecosystem for a while, just to get like the pop-up that you wanted on your website. So a lot of times we'll see brands want to do like the spin the wheel functionality. And for a while, Klaviyo didn't offer very many pop-up solutions for email capture. But over the course of even just this past year, they've offered their own spin the wheel. So instead of having to pay for an app and manage that it's integrated to the platform, you can just take it and do it right from Klaviyo's capabilities. So that's an example of how key platforms may add functionality, and you can almost get rid of some of the apps that you are using and pull it all into one house. And then I'd say like after you've kind of like consolidated and looked for ways to optimize, there's always like determining the gaps. So like looking at maybe where's your team doing a lot of manual work, where are like some initiatives that we want to do but we don't have the technology for. And that's when you may want to go out and vet vendors or look for new capabilities to fill those use cases.